Howdy, Wall Street Willie. Do I need renter's insurance? While renter's insurance isn't legally necessary and many landlords may not require it, it provides enormous peace of mind for a very nominal cost, making it a no-brainer. You cannot control the weather, theft, or injuries, and the resulting expenses could wipe out your savings very quickly. So if you are renting a home, it's important to have renter's insurance, as it will give you both financial protection and peace of mind. Where can I buy renter's insurance, and what should I keep in mind? You can buy a renter's insurance policy from insurance companies, online marketplaces or comparison platforms, and some banks and credit unions. When comparing policies, make sure to look at the amount of coverage offered, the deductible, monthly premiums, as well as what is and isn't covered. Make sure to ask for any discounts you may be eligible for, like having a security system, smoke detectors, auto payments, etc. This way, you can get the best price and a policy that fits your needs. If you already have auto or life insurance from a certain provider, you may get a bundling discount if you also get renter's insurance from them. How much does renter's insurance cost? The cost varies based on various factors such as the location of the rental property, the amount of coverage, deductible, and your credit score. On average, renter's insurance costs between $15 and $20 per month in the US. The higher the coverage, the higher the premium. On the other hand, the higher the deductible, the lower the premium. Also, a safer neighborhood means lower costs. How do I file a renter's insurance claim? If you would like to file a claim, you should first take photos and videos of the damage, or create an inventory of what was lost or stolen. The more detailed, like police reports, receipts of the items, etc., the better. Then, you can file a claim with the insurance company, usually online or by phone. You'll need to provide information related to the damages and fill out some forms. Don't hesitate to ask any questions about the process and discuss any emergency repairs that may be needed. If the claim is approved, you will be reimbursed by the insurance company up to the policy limit, minus the deductible. For example, if your claim is approved for $7,000 and your deductible is $500, you will be paid $6,500. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.